Hi there, welcome back. So for my next tip of the day, I'm going to show you what to do if you've got really small nails to hammer in, or even some little staples. Just a quick, easy little hack that will save your fingers, basically, because the amount of times I've hit my fingers, it's not funny. So yes, stay tuned. So another scrap bit of wood, and I've got a small nail. You can see that it's pretty small. I can get away with hitting it, but it's quite likely I'm going to hit my finger and hurt myself. So all you need is a pair of pliers. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers or anything really. These are just an ordinary pair of pliers. You just hold it in there and then get started, and then you're away. But it works with, so I've got some of these little staples as well, which are, I don't know if you've tried using these, but they're a bit of a nuisance to not hit your fingers. But you can just hold them with that, get it started. Once you're started, you're away. There we go, simple as that. Good old pliers. There we go, there's my tip of the day. So hopefully that helped. Please hit like, please hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more. If you've got anything to add, please add a little message down below. Thank you very much.